repair extensive termite damage on antique African sculptures, gluing and repairing broken pieces and carving missing pieces of two Chokwe figures, likely representing Chibinda Ilunga, a revered ancestral and mythical hero of the Chokwe people. Origin and significance. The Chokwe people originally settled in eastern Angola, were influenced by the Lunda Empire, adopting a hierarchical system and emphasizing the sacredness of power. Chibinda Ilunga figures like the one pictured are considered among the most esteemed African figural sculptures and are icons of African art.